In this video, we will show you how to create a folder in Microsoft Outlook. To create a folder in Microsoft Outlook, it's very easy and it's very useful to separate the email address for your business. For example, this is for your customer. Okay, in here, let's try to create a new folder. To creating a new folder in Microsoft Outlook, you need just to click this icon. Okay, then click create new folder. After that, after you create new folder in here, just type the folder name you want. For example, customer. Okay, like this. After you create a folder customer here, even you can change the color of this folder by clicking this and change color. Okay, for example, like this. Now you have new folder here. Then you can move the inbox, for example, here. And you can moving the customer emails, for example, here. You can move into our folder. Okay, move to other inbox or move to different folder here and select our folder. Okay, this is our folder customer. And then we can see to our customer folder here. Then you can see the important folder about customer. You can moving into there. Okay, so your email or your Outlook is well organized. In here, you can also moving this folder into the top of the favorites. For example, we can add to favorite here. Okay, and we can also in here move up to the list. Okay, if you want to go to the first view. Okay, like that, we can have a new folder. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to create new folder in Microsoft Outlook. This is a function as organized mail. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. And thanks for watching.